everyone. My name is Sridharan and my metric number is 10 DPM 24F 2002.
And my name is Sanjay Kariswaran. My metric number is 10 DPM 24F 2034.
My name is Aisha Shafir binti Sahaimi. My number metric is 10 DPM 24F 2500.
My name is Aina Margatila binti Saharuddin and my metric number is 10 DPM 24F 2036.
My name is Nushamia binti Alumaji and my number metric is 10 DPM 24F 2048.
Everyone, today our group will present a comparison between two franchise outlets operating in Malaysia, which are 7-Eleven and FamilyMart. First, I will introduce both companies. 7-Eleven Malaysia is one of the leading convenience store business in Malaysia. It provides a variety of products such as snack, drinks, ready-to-eat food and the daily necessary. The company focuses on providing convenience and accessibility service to customers through its many outlets. Next, FamilyMart Malaysia is a popular Japanese convenience store chain that operates in Malaysia. It offers products such as ready-to-eat meals, beverage, snacks, dessert and other convenience products. FamilyMart focuses on providing quiet convenience and quality product to its customers. So, both companies are convenience store, but there are some difference in their product and operation. Now, I will pass the presentation to the next group members for the next section. Thank you.
For our process strategy analysis, we found that repetitive focus is the most suitable strategy for both 7-Eleven and FamilyMart. This is because both businesses perform many activities repeatedly throughout the day. For 7-Eleven, the repeated activities include receiving stock, arranging products on shelf, restocking products, serving customers, and handling payments. These activities follow a regular, consistent flow where employees perform similar tasks for different customers. Therefore, repetitive focus helps 7-Eleven maintain a smooth and consistent operation. For FamilyMart, repetitive focus is also suitable because the store performs repeated activities from receiving product and arranging stocks, preparing for handling ready-to-eat food, serving customers and processing payments. FamilyMart is slightly different because it focuses more on ready-to-eat food, so food preparation and handling are also part of its daily operations. In addition, just-in-time or JIT can support both businesses in managing their inventory. JIT helps reduce excess stock and unnecessary waste. This is especially important for products with a limited shelf life. By maintaining suitable stock levels, both stores can reduce waste while still making sure products are available for customers. Overall, both 7-Eleven and FamilyMart depend on repeated tasks, standard procedures and continuous customer service. Therefore, repetitive focus is appropriate for both franchises because it supports efficient and consistent daily operation.
For the facility layout evolution, we selected process layout for 7-Eleven. As we can see from the floor plan, 7-Eleven has different areas such as snack, grocery, drink, cheap food, ready food and hot food. This area are arranged according to the type and function of the products. This layout is suitable because customers do not have to follow one fixed route. They can move between different product areas depending on what they want to buy. At the same time, staff can move from the receiving and storage area to the different product sections when restocking. So this helps the store to manage its daily operations more efficiently. Next is FamilyMart. We also set the process layout for FamilyMart because the store has different areas based on product types and activity. As shown in the floor plan, there are areas for snack, ready food, chilled products, drink, coffee and hot food as well as ice cream and frozen dessert. This arrangement makes it easier for customers to find the products they want. It also allows staff to move from the storage area to the different product section for restocking. Therefore, the layout helps to organize the store and makes both customer and staff movement easier. So why did we choose process layout for both 7-Eleven and FamilyMart? Firstly, the products are grouped according to their functions and types, so each product category has its own area. Secondly, customer can move between different sections depending on their shopping needs. They do not have to follow one fixed sequence. Lastly, staff can easily access the product areas for restocking because the storage and product sections are organized clearly. Therefore, process layout is suitable for both 7-Eleven and Family Mart because it helps organize the different product areas, support customer movement and makes restocking easier.
So good morning, I'm going to talk about the bottlenecks problem for the 7-Eleven, which is the cashier and the aisles can become crowded during busy hours, long queues, and also restocking can slow customers' movement. For the special utilization, limited space for shelves, storage, and walkways can make movement difficult for customers and staff. Safety for the third, which is safety hazard for 7-Eleven. Boxes in walkways and wet floors can cause tips or slips. Crowded areas can also increase accidents risk. For Family Mart bottlenecks problems, which is the first is layout bottleneck. The cashier, food area, and the aisles can become crowded during busy hours too, making movement difficult. For the second, which is space utilization, Family Mart need space for shelf, food preparation, storage, and walkways. Limited space can affect staff movement. For the third, for the Family Mart, wet floors, boxes in walkways, and hot food can cause safety hazards for customers and staffs that makes staffs and customers difficult to their purchases. Thank you.
Improvement recommendations. There are 4 main areas that can be improved. The first one, we recommend improving customer and staff flow. Separate pathways should be provided for customers and staff to reduce unnecessary movement and to avoid congestion, especially during restocking. And the second one, space utilization can be improved by creating clear product zones and separating customer areas from operational areas. This can make the store more organized and easier for customers to navigate. Worker safety should be improved by keeping aisles and walkways clear. Reducing staff and customer crossing can also help prevent accidents caused by boxes, wet floors, or other obstacles. And lastly, these improvements can increase customer satisfaction. When products are easier to find and customer movement is smoother, customers can have more convenient and comfortable shopping experience. Overall, this recommendation can help both 7-Eleven and Family Mart improve their operational efficiency while providing a better experience for both employees and customers. Thank you.
For our team leadership experience, this project taught us the importance of communication, cooperation, responsibility, and decision making. At the beginning of the project, our team divided the responsibilities among the group members. By giving each member a specific task, we were able to organize the workload and make sure that different sections of the project were completed. Throughout the project, we also communicate and discuss our progress as a team. On 17 August, we discussed the operational classification and characteristics of both 7-Eleven and Family Mart. After the discussion, we agreed that both franchises will be classified as service businesses. And on 18 August, we discussed the current workflow and bottleneck of both franchises. We also identified problems such as cashier and aisle congestions, space utilization issues, and safety hazards. This discussion helped us understand the problem before developing our redesigned layouts. On 19 August, we discussed the redesigned facility layout and agreed to use process layout for both franchises. This showed the importance of teamwork and decision making because we needed to reach a common agreement. Finally, on 20 August, all group members reviewed the completed report and layout diagrams. We discussed the final corrections and improvement before completing the project. From this experience, I learned that leadership is not only about giving instruction, it also involves listening to their members, communicating clearly, sharing responsibilities, solving problems, and making decisions together. Overall, this project improved our teamwork, communication, and decision-making skills and taught us how to cooperation and can help a team achieve a common goal.
Question. Both 7-Elevens and Family Mart use repetitive focus and process layout to support their daily operations and serve customers efficiently. However, they still face several challenges such as congestion, limited space, restocking interruption, and safety hazards. Therefore, improvement in workflow, space utilization, worker safety, and customer movement are also important to reduce these problems. Overall, these improvements can help both companies achieve smoother operation, create a safer working environment, and provide better customer satisfaction. Thank you.
Hello, Shai. So I'm gonna ask about what type of business are 7-Eleven and Family Mart doing?
They are service businesses.
Okay, thank you.
Tiga. So we are discussing about 7-Eleven and Family Mart, how their process strategy are using. Do you have any questions?
What kind of process strategy used by 7-Eleven versus Family Mart?
We are using Family Mart and 7-Eleven by repetitive focus.
From the slide that I showed you, I have a question. Number 3, which is what type of process layout is used?
I think process layout.
Thank you. Hi Nigel, Rahman. Can I ask you a question? Of course, yes. What is one common bottleneck problem found in both 7-Eleven and Family Mart? I think conversion around the cashier. That's all. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome.
For the last question, I would like to ask, how can the store improve their operation?
By improving product, arrange and reducing unnecessary movement.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.